Hey, Patrick here from Serb Champion. Welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how we build our links, specifically link insertions for our customers, for our personal projects. And I'm going to show you how we do it the free way and the paid way, and also for you a way to outsource the whole process so you can focus on scaling your business or other things. So I'm just going to start off on Google, the free way to find websites pretty much that have value for links, right? So we want to find articles that already exist out there, and we actually want these articles to have either some traffic or backlinks pointed to it, so the links are way more valuable than if you get a link on a page that has zero value, right? So let's just start. I'm gonna do this live in front of you. So let's say we just type in for us, right? And then we type in, let's say, fashion. So what did we just get? We're getting sites that have right for us in their URL. It's just a quick way to find websites that accept guest posts. So for this, I'm going to use the Moz bar, which is from Moz, and it only takes you a free download and a free account to see the DAs and the PAs of these pages, right? So let's just click on this site right now. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this page, and I'm gonna type in site, right? And then let's say I want a link related to handbags, right? Just an example for fashion. So I type in, and then I see pages that are related to handbags, and I can instantly see if they have backlinks to it, right? Now, if you have a paid software like Ahrefs, I would highly recommend you to get it. That's what we specifically use to track the traffic of this page, right? And to see more data about this page. So this is a great way to find pages, articles that have value, right? So this one is a PA21, it has 3 links. So if we're gonna look at this, this might be an interesting page to get a link on, right? So I'm just giving you an example. Obviously you can do this for every single niche. So I just clicked on this one. So this is a great way to find it for free, right? So let's keep searching. So you have handbags. Let's say let's give a brand right there, and we can keep looking, right? Awesome, fast way to find pages that have value, and we want to get links from that, right? So this is the free way, and you can keep doing this all day long because Google is the biggest database. It will show you all kinds of sites, and you just got to be a little bit creative with the keywords. Obviously, you can keep looking for new sites, new blogs, the way I just showed you. So that was in URL, right for us, and then we can keep looking. Let's say you're in a home improvement niche, and we can find a lot of home improvement websites that you could check out the DA, and just check out the websites too. Make sure they look legit and not like a spammy site. Usually, you know, by the looks of it, you can see if it's a professional website or not. Is it a site without traffic? You can use Ahrefs, you can use different tools to estimate the traffic of this site. Obviously aim for sites that have a lot of traffic. And then, yeah, so this is the free way. Now, if you have a paid software like Ahrefs, it's gonna make it so much easier for you to find pages with traffic value and also link value. So let's do the same thing that I just did, where I had that one website, which was this one, Fashion Insiders. So I'm gonna copy this, and I'm gonna throw this on Ahrefs. So it's gonna search. Let me disable Moz here. So what we're gonna do here is, there are basically 2 ways to see the value of this, right? There are 2 ways to find pages or articles that already exist that have traffic value or link value. So what we can do is we can click on Best by Links to see which pages have actual links pointed to it. So these are all the pages. And we can contact these guys, right? So let's say this one has like 19 referring domains, right? So we click on that, check out the article, make sure it fits, and then contact them. You can use a tool like Snowvio or Hunter.io. So you can click on the free app, the free extension, and usually it can find you an email. Obviously, I just found the email. I just copy, send them an email with a proposal with, I want a link on this page. Can you hyperlink a specific keyword, or can you insert my keyword with a paragraph? I mean, it's very easy, guys. It's just basic outreach. If you're willing to pay for it, then it's going to make it a lot easier for the blogger, because they know they want to make money and you want your link in there, and usually they will accept it. Sometimes they won't. So this is Best by Links, right? So let's say we want to find pages that have actual traffic to it. So you can click on Top Pages 2.0, and then you can, let's say, sort by country. And now you can find these pages that have traffic to them, right? So that's super cool. If you get a link, not only for SEO value, but also traffic value, because these pages receive traffic. So you can, contact them and include this article in there and ask them to be featured in this, because that's really valuable. Now you have a link that has traffic and SEO value, right? So doing this, I wouldn't overdo it with one website. Obviously, it's important to build natural links, whatever that means. A lot of people say natural links, but you could focus on getting press release links, right? You can get guest post links. You can get citation links. Just diversify your link portfolio. This is link insertions. This is just one strategy, one link building method that you could use, which has helped us a lot, to build it. We actually even got links for free this way because they had a broken link. So we found broken links on these pages, and we simply asked the blogger to replace them. Obviously, usually they ask money, sometimes they don't, and then you're in luck. So that's super nice. You can earn high quality links for not paying anything, but just prepare to have a budget ready, right? So let's say I showed you a free way, a paid software way, but let's say you want to outsource it, right? Well, we at SERP Champion offer link insertions on our platform. So if you simply go to the link that I showed, you can get free access to our dashboard. So you can simply create a project if you want, and then you go to SEO services right here, hover over to link insertion, and easily order a link insertion starting at $99. You can get higher domain authority ones. You can get pages or sites with more traffic. Obviously, there are multiple options here. You can subscribe. Now, obviously, you want to see results. We do have results. Let me show you 4 websites that have used our link insertions like recently. So I blocked the name out for obvious reasons, but here you can see the traffic increase since this website started with us. This is for guest posts and link insertions. It's a nice mix, a nice cocktail of both links, both strategies, and it's working really well for us. Here's another one with obviously a significant increase. We have this one and we have this one. Now keep in mind, these are websites that do have proper on-page optimization. Please make sure to have your site optimized properly. Check for technical SEO issues. If you have them, then let us know. We can take a look at it for free, but obviously you need both things. So I hope this video showed you exactly how to build link insertions the right way, and also a great way to outsource it. Let me know if you have any questions. Contact us at support@serpchampion.com if you do have questions. And I'm going to drop a few more videos after this. So keep in mind we're going to drop a lot of new content soon, and also updates on our SERP Champion platform. Looking forward to dropping that and letting you know next time. See you later.